question is from Symboticware. Bashir.
Hi, my name is Bashir. I'm a marketing director at Symboticware, which is a mining technology company, which is normally hard to explain, but today I'm very lucky person because we've recently launched a new product, and it is much easier to explain. So this folder contains a stack of work order records. Each time when technicians at a factory or at a mine site do some work on their equipment, they put records about it, literally something in very plain language. This is actually very important information because it tells a lot about the maintenance, about the costs, about safety at the site. However, this information is never used because it's in plain language, and plain language is very hard to process. It takes hours and hours from the analysts. So what we've done is taking the labor out of equation. We've built a new AI platform which just takes these work orders in natural language and converts them into data, which shows exactly which parts of your equipment fail, how often, and at which cost. This creates a lot of benefits for our customers. For the companies which are just starting on their optimization journey, it gives this valuable information which leads them to predictive maintenance so they can actually prevent failures. For the companies which are quite late on the optimization journey, it actually allows to save labor cost because the analysts don't need to analyze the data manually as they did before. And for the environment, it helps to prevent the maintenance waste, which is a very large factor. Thank you very much. Please find us online or reach out. Thank you.